Hello and welcome to the GenAI Agents repository, which is a part of the DiamantAI initiative for making GenAI knowledge accessible for everyone. So this repository is actually a part of currently two repositories that teach people how to use GenAI. So our sister project is called RAG Techniques, which contains about 30 different tutorials about how to RAG. And this repository is containing of currently 16 different implementations of agents in different levels. And so we also have a newsletter where you can subscribe and get updates over the new implementations that we upload here, and also to get blog posts about GenAI and specifically about AI agents. So we also have a Discord community where you can join and ask people questions and discuss about GenAI and also contribute to this repo. We're very, very welcome. And so if we start delving into this repository, it contains tutorials from very basic. So it starts with beginner-friendly agents, for example, with a simple conversational agent or a simple question answering agent. And then it goes to task-specific agents where you can learn how to build a customer support agent or an essay grading agent and so on. Then we have a creative and generative agents. For example, GIF animation generator agent or music compositor agent. And then for more advanced tutorials, you can find the memory enhanced and the multi-agent collaboration system and so on. And finally, we have a special advanced technique, which is the sophisticated controllable agent for complex RAG task, which involves both RAG and agent in a very sophisticated solution that combine them both. So every and each of these tutorials is very well documented. I'm going to show you one example. So for example, here, if we take the music compositor agent, we can see that it starts with a short overview of what you're going to see in this tutorial, and then a motivation. After this, you can find the key components of what you need in order to construct such an agent, and then a short description of the method that we use in order to create the agent. After this, there's always a visualization of the flow of the agent for simplicity. And so, for example, here you can see the music input with the musician input. Sorry that the user can ask for some input for some which music he wants to create, and then the AI composer is using the melody generator, and then the harmony creator. After this, the rhythm analyzer, and then the style adapter. And after all of this, we take what we got and we use a MIDI converter, and then we actually get our output. And in order to hear it, we can use the MIDI playback to hear what we got. So after we see all of that, we can start going over the code, which first shows our imports, and then the state definition of the agent graph. In this case, it's land graph based. And then we initialize our LLM, go over the components functions, and then we can construct our graph. and run the workflow. And finally, when we got our result, we can play the generated music. So as you saw, everything is very organized and very um, simple. The simplest way we can convey this information, and by a chronological order of the solutions. So I really hope you're gonna enjoy and learn a lot from this repo. And feel free to subscribe and join our community and contribute to this repository. Um, we will be very happy to have you. Thanks and goodbye.